In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Keep Notes app from Google Play Store. If you are encountering any challenge while trying to install this app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this issue. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, in the first method, you need to go to Google Play Store. Make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you try to install the app. However, if you are already logged in but unable to install the app, then just tap on your profile icon on top here and then go down to Settings. From Settings, choose Network Preferences and then App Download Preference. Choose this option over any network and then save. This will ensure you can download any app via the current network you are connected to. Once you have set this to over any network, now try and see if you are able to download and install this app. However, if you still have a challenge, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot this app by accessing its app info page, and you can do this by just long pressing on your app, and you can see we have app info. If you tap on it, it will take you to Google Play Store app information page. Alternatively, you can access app info page through settings. If you go to settings, just go to apps, and from apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps that you have. Search for Google, and you can see Google Play Store is here. Now here, go to force stop, then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and okay. Now once you are done, you will need to restart your smartphone and now open your Google Play Store app and activate search. Now if we search for Keep Notes, and now let's go ahead, try and install and see if we can install, and look at that. Now I'm able to download and install this app. However, at this point, if you still have a challenge, then you might want to check and ensure you have enough space. If you don't, free up space to create more room for this app. So that's how you can fix can't install Keep Notes app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.